In this video we are talking about if Algorand is going to the upside or if we see a move to lower levels again. As you can see, we are right now in this weekly demand zone where we started our move to the all-time high in 2020 and we saw this bearish structure and Algorand was looking very bearish. We also moved under this last high right here and under this demand zone, but as you can see, under this highs we just saw this wicks and not a real body close, and if we are just seeing this candle wicks, the chance is there that we take some stop loss orders, take the liquidity and then move to the upside again. And in the last video we were at this prices right here, and I said that it's really important that we don't breaking this last lows with a daily or weekly body close, because then I think the chance is high that we see lower levels. And I said if we are breaking this order block to the upside, because from this order block we saw this bearish move to the downside, and if we are breaking it, then the chance is high that we see even higher prices. I will show you now the clip from the last video. So I also think that the chance is high that we are moving to the upside. So we have to see how the price reacts right here. If we are breaking through this order block, the chance that we are seeing much more prices for Algorand is very high. As you can see, we came into this order block. We first saw some reaction right here, but after we made a daily body close over this order block, we then saw this bullish explosion to the upside. So congrats to everybody who took a trade here on Algorand. But now the question is, can we continue our bullish move to the upside or do we see a move to lower levels again? So as I said, Algorand was looking really bearish because we made a low under this demand zone, but we just saw the wicks right here and then took the liquidity to go to the upside. And we also broke this last high to the upside, which is a really good sign for Algorand. So on the weekly chart, it's not looking too bearish right now, and there could be the chance that you see higher prices. And also if we are going on the daily chart again, you can see that we broke this order block and that we also broke this last high, which caused the last lowest low. So this is a really good sign. And now we build a range right here. And I think in the short term, it will decide if we are going to the downside, because if we are breaking this range to the downside with a daily or weekly body close, then I think the chances are that we can see even lower prices. But if we are coming to the upside and breaking this last high and range high to the upside, then the chance is extremely high that we see higher prices for Algorand. So I think for the short term, this range will decide, and the chance is there that we see higher prices. But we also have to say that this is the first really bullish reaction at Algorand after this longer bearish trend to the downside. So the chance is also there that we see even lower prices again, especially if Bitcoin is also going to the downside. But if we are seeing a bullish move from Bitcoin and we come in the bull run again, the chances is high that we also see higher prices for Algorand. But if anything interesting happens for Algorand, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on Algorand and join my free Telegram group where I share daily updates on the crypto market. So click on the first link in the video description to join my free Telegram group. So all in all, we saw this first bullish reaction from Algorand. We saw this bullish move after we broke this order block to the upside. So congrats again to everybody who took a trade here on Algorand. And right now this is the first bullish sign, which is a really good news. But we have to say that Algorand had this massive bearish trend down here, and this is the first bullish reaction. So we have to be careful with long-term long positions. And on the short term, this range will decide if we are going to the downside. If we are seeing this breakout to the downside, the chances high that we see even lower prices. But if we're breaking this last high and this range high to the upside, then I think the chances high that we see an explosion for Algorand. So this was it for this video. Comment down below which altcoin do you want to see in the next videos. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.